Welcome back, or welcome if you're new to my channel. Today is going to be a straightforward Temu haul. So it's all going to be about rhinestones and charms, and this is the first that I got. I'm just going to go through everything, show you what I got. Everything is really great quality. The colors are vibrant, the shine is immaculate, and the actual wear of the stones, they are so durable. They don't lose any of their shine. They're not falling off or slipping off their backs or anything like that. Now with this stone picker, I want to show you guys that you can twist the head off and just replace the head. You don't have to replace the handle every time that wax either breaks or just dulls down over time. So I'm not going to do too much talking because the stones and the charms, they speak for themselves, and I will be posting the description up in the right hand corner to show you the price and if they're sold out, because unfortunately 2 of these items were sold out when I did this video. So you guys just sit back and enjoy the video. So guys, I do have a surprise for you. I do have some pretty cool coupons for new and existing users. They will be down below in the description box. Now guys, when I seen these, I just can't wait to see them in person. The camera is doing these little beads no justice, and these little cute ladybugs, I just can't wait to come up with an idea. If you guys want to comment below or some pictures, send me something to give me some ideas, but I just cannot wait to make up some type of nail design with these charms. So guys, if you made it this far into my video, please consider liking and subscribing and turning on that notification bell so every time I post you will be notified. I'm going to make it my best effort to post at least 3 times a week. I want to shoot for Sunday, Wednesday, and Saturday, but we'll see how that goes, just to be honest. But thanks again for all of you guys' support.